What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson here with another awesome FastBNB video. It is day 20, and a lot has transpired in this little bit of time. We are doing excellent. We're doing fabulous. The team is growing, team is kicking butt. Everybody's getting paid. Everybody here gets paid. Like I said, I only promote things that everybody gets paid. And if I promote something where you have to recruit, I'm gonna let you know you got to recruit. So if you don't like recruiting, please do not join unless you just like the products. Everybody gets paid, everybody gets paid, everybody gets paid. So they put this new button right here for us to claim our rewards that we won in the contest, the first contest. So obviously I didn't win anything. Sorry, your business target missed the first promotion. So I kind of figured that. I was trying to wonder if it was that day, because you remember in Dubai, they like almost how many hours already ahead of us. So when I did get my 20 BNB hit, so I'm just going to be a shoo-in for this next one. I mean, I don't know all the prizes the brother gonna hit, but I should be a shoo-in for this one because you see everything is growing. That's that beautiful link. For those who are not in yet, I don't know what you're waiting on. I don't know what you're waiting on. This is 20 days in. This is 20 days in. So I can see today my 7 BNB is returning $69 a day. My team growth is returning $658 a day. Because we just did, let me see, how much was that last withdrawal? 4.4 BNB. And let's see what BNB is right now. This will let you know what you could do. 377. So it was 380 earlier. So, because this was a little bit more. Because what is just dropping like the last few minutes? Because I was going to do a withdrawal in this video. But let's see. Let's go to... Yeah, you just go to CoinMarketCap. It's going to probably be your most prominent place for coins in particular. So we have BNB. It's 376. Yeah, it just did a scale dive. I knew it was higher. Last time it was like 80 something when I was looking at it. And just do it like a slide, like it was on a mountain skiing and just one thump. Yeah, but it's ain't down here. 368. Man, the funny thing, this is all in within one day. That's a lot of movement. So hopefully it's not trying to come back down there. Because if so, I'm not doing no withdrawal. I don't want to do no withdrawal at 377. That's just me, man. I mean, I'm here to make money. I don't know about everybody else, but I'm here to make money. I try to teach the same things to my people. If I know it's a chance for this to go back to 385, 384, when I seen it was 380 something. Because now it's 377. 76 actually. Oh, 77. Oh shoot. Okay. Yeah. So it's down 6.61%. Oh, excuse me, people. Brother's exhausted. Did a whole lot of ministry this weekend. Beautiful time. Saturday and Sunday. Then came this morning. Had to go up to my wife and her business partner's store. We're preparing the floor. Man, getting that glue off from that rug we pulled up. Oh, no. But you don't want to use that. I mean, paint thinner makes it easier, but man, you have a headache for the rest of the week. So we just did hot water and had fun, fellowship, and clean. So, 377. Yeah, so it's still 377. So I was going to do one on this video, but I mean, then again, I don't know if I was going to take it and what I was going to do with it. That's the other thing. Because I'm in between. I'm like in the straight betwixt two. Do I want to take it and keep it? Or do I want to take it and invest in another one of my ops? I need to just do a video on that, on my portfolio, and swap some stuff around. Yeah, because I'm trying to figure out Because I mean, this money coming so fast daily. I can just keep it and keep putting it in the wallet. But if I'm not spending it, I might as well just keep it and keep it growing somewhere else. Because that's the thing. I mean, it's good to have your bank account looking so good, but if you're not spending the money and your bills don't come up to that amount of money, keep it in circulation until it grows more. It grows more. So I could have just flipped this and turned that 7 BNB into 9 BNB. Because at that point, let's whip out the handy dandy calculator. Oh, first I gotta find out what was 377, right? So it's best to use that calculator first. 7.084. So we're gonna find out how much I expect to get back at the current price. So 377. All right, so 7.804. Well, shoot, where I get that? 7.084. So 2,600. That's crazy when you got 2,600 invested and making $600. I mean, that doesn't make no sense. Like, what percentage of that is that? I'm trying to tell you, you got to open your mouth, people. You got to open your mouth. They say closed mouths don't get fed. And I don't mean that in the crazy way the world puts it. I'm just talking about, hold up, I was there too. I just had it. There. All right, and so what we'll do is times that by 0.03. And something definitely didn't go right with that. Probably should have added it straight to, there you go. No. Paste. All right, so we times that by 0.03, $80. So we should be at $80 a day with at this price point. So it'll let you know it hasn't even been 24 hours. Nope. And it hasn't even been 24 hours. So we got 14 more dollars go. So whenever this hit 84, it'll be 24 hours since the last time I withdrew or flipped anything. Yeah, because I'm trying to figure out when did I don't know. I'm thinking it was like late at night. I don't know. We'll figure it out. They got to figure it out. It's working out some kind of way. But letting you know, man, the team is growing. We have the 31 on the first level, 23. This is going to surpass this. As soon as these people get pumped and more pumped, this is going to surpass this. And then this is going to grow even more. So that was 2, now it's at 4. That was always 2. So the 2 that total on there, these 2 need to start telling somebody. And these 31 need to start telling people. And to get that solution, this should at least be 62. So at least somebody told 2 people. You know, if everybody tells 2 people, this at least go to 62. And then all of them tell 2 people, and then that's when it starts spreading. It's going to start spreading soon. Yeah, but this is still a good ratio for these contests that's coming up. Because the new contest, here's a promotion right here for the next one. 12 BNB, Fast Direct, 30 BNB, Royal 100 BNB. So that's just for the Fast Direct. If we come back over here, it's 87 BNB on my first level. So 13 more come. Let me see when this promotion is over. 16. Oh shoot, today. Well, it's probably already over. Because in Dubai, it's already this time. We had a Zoom with another opportunity I'm in, and the time for the Zoom was the next day there, but for us it was 8 p.m. the same day. So yeah, the time frame you gotta, and then you gotta say if you got more than 100 BNB, loans of 60/40, Datsun, 300 BNB, and 1,000 BNB for Kia. So we're at. So we had 159 total for the team. Let's refresh just to make sure I'm looking at this correctly. Yep. Okay. So it is 9. Oh shoot. 31, 23, 42. Okay. So it's 96 up here. Did I just see 96 last time? That's how many people I'm playing. So 96, 159, 159. And the promotion says we need, so there's a chance we could at least get here to the MacBook here. So we're not going to get the MacBook because we're not over there in India when they do the contest. So we'll probably get the 1350. And we hit these two. So I don't know if you get A, B, and A. I don't know, but we'll find out during the next contest. We'll find out. So that's kind of good though that my 20 BNB didn't hit, because I mean definitely hit these two. Was at 96. So shoot, 4 more BNB. Well, I think some of my BNB might have came before, so at least I might need about 10 more on my first. I might be ready for that. Because that's my directs. That's whoever I recruited or whoever I invited or whoever I told about this blessing and they took it on for themselves. So yeah, there's a little glitch in the system on this, but we know it's there and it's paying out correctly. So I guess 96 was the highest it showed. Let's do one more refresh. Dashboard. That's back to 87. So I think it looked like every other time you refresh it. That was 95. So let me see. Come at dashboard again. No, I went crazy. 998. Hold on, let's see what my real total is. Dashboard. 95. Should have stayed at 98. I like the higher number. Let's see what we do now. Now it's back to 84. But at least the 159 is staying the same. Dashboard. 98. Okay, we're gonna leave it there. That's the numbers I want to see anyway. But you see, people, all this stuff is still paying me the exact way I'm supposed to be getting paid. And the numbers are still moving. Everything is still growing. We're at 1.76 BNB, which is only $65 at this point. Man, but it's crazy because when I joined, BNB was $470 something. I mean, like, when is it going back there? When I joined, it was $470 something. It took a landslide down $100. So that would be $200 more, and we'd be at $865 with the old rate. Let's try one more time, see if it at least went over 380. I've been perfectly fine doing it at 380. So now it's back to 76. So it can't get his mind right on what it want to do. But I'm still trying to think, do I want to swap it out and put it in another op? And start growing that one to the moon also. Because all it does is turn into income somewhere else with something else. So it's just, like I said, it's just money well spent and flipping it back and forth. But I'll figure it out. I'll probably do like a like I say, do a portfolio joint, and then I'll probably move some money around once I figure out where I want it to go. Pray on and see which one, how I want to move it back and forth, because this one is producing money so fast. It's better to just put it in something else to grow it. That's not as fast. So then that one could be more sustainable because it's growing, it's higher. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, and you can, like if I do my one that's like 30% a month, if I got a nicer more amount, I'll make more for myself, plus everything that's in my team. So if you look at my videos, you can tell whichever one I'm talking about, but I'm not going to talk about it on this one. I'm not going to, name it on this one. All right, so you can see FastBNB still kicking butt, still taking names. This is day 20. The team is still growing. I need to do something with this BNB. I need to get it higher, so I don't know either that needs to get off of there. Yeah, shoot, they got quite a few cents before that crap was off of there. But hey, yeah, we got some sevens over here to combat that 6. There's another 7, boom, 7, boom, 7, 7. But yeah, that's pretty much it, people. Say this your boy Terrence Gibson, just showing you another detailed version of what's going on over here in FastBNB. You got the fence sitters, you got scam yellers, but man, we over here getting paid. I don't know what else to tell you. All I can do is show you. These 31 people are happy. These 23 people are happy. These 4 people are happy. These 2 people are happy. We're kicking butt and taking names. And people not just coming in with pennies. They're not coming in with pennies. They're coming in 24 BNB. Got 0.8, 8 BNB, almost 9. I'm gonna say 9. Rounded off 1 BNB. 1 BNB is $300 something. 7 BNB. I mean, just look. You got people starting where they can start, getting to where they want to be. Somebody might start with 1, and they'll have 3 next week. And they'll take from 3, and they go from 3 within that week and turn into 7. Like I turned my 3 into 7 in 4 days. I mean, look at the people, they doing their thing. So you could do the same thing, people. All right, it's your boy Terrence Gibson saying love you. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. Let's get busy, people.